The older I get, the more I realize now why my mamas were so smart and wise. Because when you have some life experience, things start to make a little more sense. Much like this COVID ditch, a project that started out of frustration and unease has become something much, much larger than that. Literally, the size of the ditch became much larger. It has turned into a project of creativity and enjoyment and pleasure and a lot of work. So what we're doing right now, see, we had the ditch dug. I've got a little sand, a little rock down in there, some gravel, making that bed. And now I decided that we have shifted gears and moved into a thing of beauty. We're going to get more river glass with the boys and the kiddos. And now I'm going to take this sand, dump it into the ditch, and then we'll put small little river rock and river glass.